Karbi Unemployed Youth Association pen Silveta picnic spot along Kapang Terasai Kedeng. District Press Club of Karbi Anong Atumpen Shillong Times editor Patricia Mukhimaham along kerosene bomb pen kateng kheng apothak kapin rem. Di Mahasok Haflorong Sepi along India kang pinang suarlo tumapan kilang rem kacenek kahula pothak armo kacejeng pen kadisong asai kedeng. Ada babirta lang pen katoko ve phanda kadam bajar iklung nan birtang ton pen arjoi tha National Highway 36 kacheleng atwar pi adungat kido Silveta picnic spot along Jangmini phai inkore CRni Karbi Unemployed Youth Association atu pen Silveta picnic spot along Kapang Terasai kedeng padu bangso sa lang bokojan manja bukulia denarong lapen Karbi Film Society atu pen chitong dun pusi pherang ki pen birta nang pali Kapang Ter asai long kuya amai pumar lof timung pen ki jaipon ki Karbi Anglong along ke isi ki jur kilang adim do sita non Karbi Anglong Tonamas Council pen ajahak adim ke kilang Kapang kriya jokating turasai thekpor longle non Ladakh Silveta picnic spot along ke bang ike kwan na Ladakh kating thur nang kilang pen si Ladakh kuya asong pen chingru pen Kapang Terasai deng ponlo la pen bang jok le Silveta picnic spot along picnic ki chopan wang sita Kapang Ter en pen ki do ke thak bon japan kuya amai pumar lof timung pen kachuring ripon padu
Tiket bate nilitum Pokajan Subjon Committee lapen nilitum Bukulia Dokmoka Manja Dipu Atkilo lapen kaprek yang adim pen nang sitong do lapen kaprek meeting do koka join se hamren Subjon atu mabang nang sitong do nunde derlo hada kabang nilitum 26 langso ceklo 26 bate tari ingkor program ni sini tu hapu bang program deng ehu ya picnic spot kilang mesen adim do pic ilitum Karbi Anglong along masih langsung along ilitum kapater teder jiaphan nilitum isi Karbi Anglong arathan message pingtung la sedak pini sitame nilitum dak keter ahormuan sitame nilitum karko kice banek la keter ke antan nilitum pini arko ponlo la selaihu an sitame muapi kewan jelangan tuman sitame la keter hu ahormu war weder si ilong petang som tekang si me sitame thor tekang erji bachirim tekang RJ pansi nilitum chuning ripon dapen jasemet ke non la dak Silveta dim sta melang mesen na sinitum government mantame chuning rigantung langso lang royal long over bridge ason semarsi lapen hapu sta me children park lehu isi kipipon plutel anso se alondo lang lapen langso adim ilitum malong kapre district apen ke wangje tumda dotahai la se kelang mesen bate ilitum dak nang itum dak nangecu na tum sitame sisa bong lai hui ke war tap te der jiaphan lapeng ke ter hormuan sitame ke war der jiaphan ilitum Karbi Unemployed Youth Association hin pen sitame chuning ripon lo
Kedam tang Jangmini phai kret roksia jo porphan yak kebra minute thom kebra pho apor malom Shillong Times editor Patricia Mukhimaphan pang thek the bang hinia bang photum kerosene bomb pen ahemalong kateng kheng apothak District Press Club of Karbi Anglong tumpen kapin rem dona lamthi chepaklang District Press Club of Karbi Anglong Shillong Times editor Patricia Mukhimaphan kateng kheng apothak kapin rem pon padu pherang kila pen chabang atumaphan thangbak be kateng kheng ington nangji la pen non hekjong Shillong Times editor aphan kateng kheng abang photumaphan propjin pen nep ingnang nangji pusi District Press Club of Karbi Anglong kongchun bang Danielson behin pen birta pachini Di Mahasau Haflong Rong Sepi along Jangmini phai kora isi arni India dira long suar lo tumaphan kachulang rem kachenek lapen apran karmut abang photumaphan propjin pen nep ingnang ra aron adeng pen kangsai pasudak nangji po lampen kachesonga sai kedeng birta card news apherang ki pen birta nang pali Labang Soreli Mohila Samiti NGO lapen lochar le song to pechilang pet pensi Haflong Rong Sepiang kang arbu jenga sai padu ponsi di Bahasau a deputy commissioner redeng alang litumpen kijongpon alam he pinpur aluta pajirdam pinpur alu along alang litumpen kijongpon ke suarlo tumaphan helpline number suarlo tu amithang okpran kacharai kom thek japan school along tinta self defense a class ta isi subject asonsi dengponangji kachulang rem abang photmaphan sodak pen kang saipon padonangji mate kok that pinangji pupen cheng long ong dung ason pinpur alu along kijong pon padu labang saja mek along ong dung lochar liao somar Mohila Samiti NGO pen anparta ong dung abang pubang phiatum sitame chitodun si RDP dun pusi birta ripdun long nan malam so por phandina parma birta ming taponik sina Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge, HRSJ Complex, 2nd floor, Dharamnala Road, Difu, Karbi Anglong. The first and ever sports lounge in town. Tune you up with live music, Dare to Inject, Jam Pad, and pool game, where you can play with friends or play with legends, along with seafood items like octopus, lobster, prawns, squid, tuna fish, and many more are available only at Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge. For reservation, contact 9957381813 or 8638462619 or 8812998125. Please make your visit in AL Exotic showroom. It's time to replenish your garden with different kinds of exotic plants. Various kinds of exotic plants, PE pots, gift items, and more accessories for both indoor and outdoor are available here. AL Exotic Showroom near SR Petrol Pump, Difu, Karbi Anglong.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hiti kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, teso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit adu, Telua Kreng, Chitronola, Uktor Pen Chenglok, Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
DNMO people tadbir talong bangtulo HDP Bajar along Borjan BJP claim bang phuatum jangmi ni phaing kore ECR ni analo porphai Cresia porpen mai kangni labang so mai honoram sing narpen kichori ponalong mai ki phalam te klardak pen BJP Bokajan block mondala chunbang lokiram rong pipensi jai ponlo labang so mai long aluhi sarpo aman ben BJP ke ADC dun mai puthan sing teron chetong dun lapen Borjan MC long kitimong BDC chairman Philip teron BJP ke ADC chunmang dipti gogoi baburang bepen chenglok bang tok kebrak kethom local committee amai phulapen chunbang atum chitong dun si mai long RDP dun labang so amai long kachathan kachimum RDP pon lake BJP asong ki claim kidam nangji arona tang pathak raratuma phan klardak pen than pachini ponangji non BJP government pen kopi PC sai ki claim pon mal haya pathak pachini nangji pusi mai kachathan pon pado kidam tang nikan krepo Congress asong pen council chari det pen kopi PC rataphan ale kipi pon thek non BJP atum ke chiklo joner cap anret lang bon ta pen an asai claim pon lo mithang MEC constituency angkang along towar kaselam dilai pen serhejan adak towar pita selam pon bom lo phai hoi klardak pen lam the jai pon KSA Hamran Head Ranch pen batir pi ponsi jangmi ponify enkoi arni Hamran Golf Higher Secondary School along KSA unit keseng padopon KSA Unit Keseng Amailong KSA Hamran Head Branch Pen Chunbang Balison Bay Cultural Secretary Mongol Singh Ronghang Assistant General Secretary Samson Ingti Lapen Organizing Secretary Sampri Ronghang Pia Tum Chitong Dun Karbilo Charlia Song Lapen Akimangalap The Kiturmi Awi Kimia Tumapan Kithan Kimumpon Padosi Api Bakso School along KSA Unit Akinang Alam The Pathir Ponlo Lasi KSA Unit Seng Pen Arputa Bak Ponlo President Longchong Teron Vice President Hemsing Tiso General Secretary Bijoy Dera Assistant General Secretary Bornali Tokbipi Cultural Secretary Sumita Ronghangpi Games and Sports Secretary Bikram Bay Organizing Secretary Abraham Ronghang Lapen Publicity Secretary Jugen Kathar Alang Litumpen KSA Song Aron Atang Ateng Pen Claim Kedampon Pamejia Par Aron Ateng Pen Semi Deng Ponsi Pathirlo Kat News Aphenangi Hundor Krok Nangki Lo Birta Ada babirta bang kita masih kang ton poniklo domi thakmi kurbang tu